Well, hi teacher, my name is Laura Corso. I'm going to develop the intercultural second stage. So as a foreigner, I'm going to be the 2% of the interview. So we start. Hello, my name is Laura and this is my friend from India. Coming from this interview, I'd like to know about you. So the other person. Hi, I'm Anush. It's a pleasure to be here. Let's start. What do you know about India? Well, India is in South Asia. It's the second most populous country and it has a democratic government. So what is the most important aspect you learn about India? Well, the most important tradition in India is the family and the values with family. How families they live with joint family in India. It's common to see people who live with their parents, kids, fathers, and related person of the family. What are the most common customs and traditions that you learn when you win in India? Well, the most popular customs is the traditions in the family and the greeting with namaste. This is very important. The other thing that is important is the head of the family is the carta. There is a senior male or female that excuse me, take the decisions of social and economic things. And the arranged marriage is common nowadays in India. On the other hand, in favorite customs and traditions are the food, because every region in India has a signature dish or ingredient on the food. Um, and the other traditions are that they eat with her hands, but they only use the right hand because they use the left hand to go to the birth. So it's not quite polite use the left hand to eat. And about the religion, almost 80% of people are from Hinduism, but the other people that don't belong to this religion live harmoniously with the other. In other hand, we have the cow is sacred. It's considered illegal to eat beef in some region of India. For coming up to temples, it's important to wash your hands and your feet, and you should take off your footwear for coming in the temple. If you want to use socks, it's okay, but you make sure that they are clean and they don't have holes. Well, thank you, Anush. I'm sure all the people know something about traditions and more about India. Okay, it was a pleasure. Thank you for you.